How to turn off upload at highest quality on your Instagram account. Today guys I will show you how to turn off this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram account. Then when your Instagram it's opening like that, you go down and you open your profile. After this, when your profile is opening, you go at the top of the screen and click on this three line, then go to settings and click. After this guys, go to account and click, then go to calculate data used, then click, and will find the last option, upload at highest quality. You will turn off this option by clicking at the right here like that. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and if you have any question you can write it down in comments, and see you next videos.